All right, guys, I got 2 packs of Select. Okay, I got these retail at Target, so I figured, what the hell, I'm gonna open them up. So pretty excited. These will probably be the only 2 that I'll open up because I will probably never see them again. I got these 3 cards. Obviously, I was in the Packers break, and those are the 3 cards I got, which I'm pretty excited about. So let's get started here. Okay, we got oh, that's just a security thing on the back. Okay, we got Jacob Eason, Julio Jones, Chase Young, Josh Allen, Joshua Kelly, Cam Newton, Patrick Queen. Oh, there we go, baby. There we go, baby. A little Justin Herbert action. How's that look? Looks pretty clean. Looks pretty clean. Justin Herbert. My boy. What's we got? Ooh, we got a Hot Stars, Drew Brees. Let's leave that bad boy. It's going to be a short video because obviously there's not a ton of cards. Drew Brees. Unbreakable Larry Fitz. Uh-oh. Tua. Unbreakable. Unbreak my heart. Tua. Actually, I'm just going to leave it. I'll take care of that later. That's pretty nice. I like Tua. Like my Tua. Saquon Barkley, turbocharged. Isaiah Simmons, I don't know. That's a silver. Rookie. That's the field level silver. Let's leave that guy up. Pretty nice pack. I just, it's so hard to get right now. I feel like, now's the time if you're planning on selling some of these cards, to get your money's worth. Christian McCaffrey and Chase Young, rookie. Okay, last pack ever. Pretty excited about that Tua here. Select certified. Okay, last pack ever. We got another special card. Aaron Rodgers, base. Zach Moss, Timon Arnett, my boy Jalen Hurts. Don't it? Khalil Mack for the PC, which is so weird. Bears fan, and I end up getting the Packers in a break. Like, what? Khalil Mack, Brandon Ayuk, Kirk Cousins, Leighton Vander Esch, Chase Young, silver. I don't know how special these are, but I'll put them over there. Uh-oh. Okay. Emmitt Smith, Alvin Kamara, LaDainian Tomlinson, Henry Ruggs III, silver. At the field level. Trayvon Diggs, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, rookie. So not a bad couple packs. I mean, you're talking $10.99. You can't beat it. All right, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Follow me on Insta @FadeTheFool. And then let me know what you guys think. What do you guys like about these packs? How easy are they to get? Are you guys getting them at all? All right, thanks, guys.